Here I am, Denver Airport. Hopefully my last airport before San Francisco. Those fuckers. It's really nice. I like the scene. Flight's not for another hour and a half. So here I am, chilling. There's a gentleman who is looking. I'm looking for the train. Concourse B. B as in bastard. Ladies and gents, this is Denver. It's a really nice airport, I think. I'm starving though. We gotta go straight. I love those two towers things, whatever they are. Now, San Jose. Okay, this is boring. Peace.